Hi everybody, it's Matt Carter. In this video we're looking at on-page SEO continued, some more tricks to do to your pages to make sure that your content so it's ready to rank in the search engines. So we're looking at cloaking links and adding content to the domain. Two other important aspects of on-page SEO that you need to do. So we're going to get straight into it, and the best way to do it is show you an example, as I try to do as often as possible. Cloaking the links basically is just setting up a PHP page on your hosting server and redirecting your affiliate link via that page. And this way, on your affiliate websites, you don't have to have your affiliate link. You can instead have the page where we're going to redirect through. That's hosted on the server. It's not hard to do. I'll show you. It really isn't hard to do. I will show you how to do it now. And then adding more content to the domain. What you want to do with sites, no matter how big or small they are, like if you've got a single product site, or if you've got a multi-product site, or a multi-product, multi-niche site, it's always a good idea to try and add content to the domain, especially if you've just got a one product site and you've got 3 posts that are 3 pieces of content that are selling your product, 3 reviews. Then you might have your about page, your disclaimer page, and all those other pages that you need. But all in all, you've only got about 7 pages on the site. That's not enough content. Really, ideally, what you want is to keep adding posts every week. Trying to add, if you can add 1 post a day, even if it's just 300 words, or 3 posts a week, and you can easily hire people to do this for you if you go to sites like Odesk, which is just odesk.com. You can hire writers, and you can just say, look, I need 20 or 50 articles on this topic. They only need to be 300 words, not very long, and just write. It doesn't even have to be, the content needs to be okay, but it doesn't need to be top-notch content, because we're not driving traffic to these pages. They're only there as fill-in pages to fill the domain out a little bit, your website out, so it looks a little bigger, and it gives the impression to Google that your website is growing and developing, so it's not just static at a couple of content pieces. Has actually got more value for the reader when they arrive, and Google likes to see that. They like to see that there's value being added to a domain. So if you've got a larger site, like a multi-product, multi-niche site, like the example I've shown in this course, then you don't really have this problem, because you're always adding new reviews to the site anyway, so that naturally just grows over time, so that's not a problem. But if you've got a smaller, one product site, or only a couple of product site, then it's not a bad idea to post some more content that is about the topic of the niche that you're in. So if the niche that you're in is about doing power tools, or if it's about toys, or whatever it is, then either write them yourself or hire somebody to write 20 or 50. 50 would probably be better. Posts, small posts about toys or whatever the topic is, and then every day or every other day, just log into your WordPress site and post a new post. And what you want to do inside that post is you want to have a link back to the home page of your site, using the home page's anchor text. That'll just help for a little bit more of internal linking. So just not write a normal post. It doesn't have to be fancy. You can put a picture in it if you want to make it look sort of nicer. Put a picture in the top left-hand corner, any old picture you can grab from anywhere you want, and then post it. You don't even have to worry about doing the on-page SEO for this stuff, because for these posts, because we're not trying to rank these posts. These posts are really just for to make the site look bigger and nicer, more for the search engines than anything. And then you want to have your link in those articles, just one link linking back to the home page. That way, the more posts that you create, the more internal links that you've got linking back contextually from inside the article of your post. So make sure you just put the link in the middle of the sentence, in the middle of your article, and link it back to the home page. That does help a little bit for your SEO purposes. But more than anything, worry about just putting a bit of content on there. And you can there's a little widget for WordPress that you can show in the right hand side panel, which says recent posts. So you can drop and drag that recent post widget if you want that to show up, and then your recent posts that you add will all show up in the side menu. And that's not a bad idea as well, because it means your site's got good navigation. So that if a viewer from Google arrives on your site, a visitor, then at least Google can see that it's easy to navigate around your site because there's other posts that they can click if they want, or it's also easy for them to click to other outbound links as well, which I talked about in the other video. But really, the idea of these posts isn't for the human reader. We really, ideally, it's only for Google. It's to keep Google happy. So what I would encourage you to do is don't make it too obvious. You can push that widget bar down below the fold. You can put it like further down, or you don't necessarily need to have it if you don't really want to. But it's either way, what you need to make sure you're doing is adding content to the domain. That's the most important thing, because the Google bot can come and read the code and your sitemap, and it will see, yep, you've got more content being added to this domain all the time. It's obviously an important domain. And the more your site grows in backlinks, which we're going to look at in the next module, I think it looks good if a website is growing in backlinks and growing in size. Although we're not going to even be backlinking these posts or doing any SEO to these posts, they're simply just going to be sitting there. But it'll make your site grow every week. So that's what you want to be doing. So to do that part, all you need to do is either write the content yourself, 300-word posts, and then start posting, or pay somebody at odesk.com. You might be able to pay them like $5 an article or less if they're only small articles, and get 20 or 50 of them written, and then you've got them on a folder on your computer, and you can just post away like that. So now I want to show you about cloaking links and how you can cloak your links. In the resources for this section, I've given a link to download the PDF PHP file that you need to upload to do this. So that's when I talk about this in the example I'm about to show you. That's where it is. Just go to the PDF. So let's have a look at one of my site's pages now. So I'm over at this page here, and there's my affiliate link there. If I right click on that affiliate link and go properties, it will show you where that's linking to, and you can see it's linking to somewhere on my own domain. So you might be thinking, well, hold on, it's an affiliate link, isn't it? And it's not actually an affiliate link. It's actually going to mydomain.com, and then it's going to a page inside this folder, the recommends folder, and then it's going to this page here, proserin.php. Now, all you need to do is on your server, if you're using HostGator, then just log into your server and find where your website is, and then just create a new folder and call it recommends or whatever you want to call it. It really doesn't matter. And then inside that recommends folder, we're going to be putting a PHP file. We're literally going to upload a PHP file into that recommends folder. I'll give you the PHP file. Just rename the file to whatever your product is. Mine's Proserin for this example, so just whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really matter. And then you have to edit the PHP page before you upload it and change the name, and I'll show you how to edit it in a moment. And then you upload it into a folder that you call recommends, and then you just link to that PHP page from your affiliate site. So all your affiliate links now become this. Simple as that. So now you need to know, how do I upload something to a folder? I'll show you that in a moment. And then how do I edit a PHP page? I'll show you that right now too. So the first thing you need to get is a free FTP software called FileZilla. Just go to Google and type in FileZilla download, and you'll end up on this page. You just want to download it. Well, it depends if you're using Windows. Download FileZilla and install it. Now, in order to use FileZilla, it's very simple, but I'm not going to explain it in this course. Just go to YouTube and type in FileZilla tutorial, and you will find videos showing you how to use FileZilla. It's really easy. All you're doing with FileZilla is it's a bridge between your computer and your hosting account, and it uploads things from your computer to your hosting account. It's got like two windows, one on the left, one on the right, and once you plug in your login details for your hosting account, then FileZilla can log into your hosting account, and then you can just upload files straight straight to your domain where it's hosted on a HostGator. So all you do is on the HostGator side, you create a new folder and call it recommends, and then you literally just go right click, upload your PHP file that I'll give you into that recommends folder, and then you link to that file like I just showed you on my Procerin page. So when you download the PHP page that I give you, you need to edit it. But in order to edit a PHP page, you need to use this little piece of software here. It's free. Just go to Google and type in download or context editor or context text editor, and then just download the desktop version here and download it and install it. Once you've installed context, just open it, and then in the top left hand corner go File, Open. In fact, I'll do it right now. So I'm over at context. You can just see a grey screen. If I go at the top left hand corner, it just goes File, Open. All you need to do then is open the file that I give you, and I'll do that right now also. Okay, so I just opened up the PHP file. I just found it on my computer. It's called affiliate-link.php. Once it's open, it's so simple. This is all it is. It's just a little bit of text. All you do is where I've got this here, your affiliate link here, just paste your affiliate link there. Don't change anything else. Just paste your affiliate link. Paste it straight in there, and then save it. Don't save it as affiliate link, because this is like a template. You need to keep this as it is. But now just save it as whatever you want. So if you want to name it, I don't know, Wonder Tools or something .php, then just go File, Save as Wonder Tools, or Wonderful Gadgets, or whatever you want, whatever your product is that you're an affiliate for. Just save it as another PHP file, but just put your affiliate link in there, and then whatever you save it as, when you're using FileZilla and uploading things into your recommends folder, then upload the new file that you just created, and then you just link to that file. So if I was doing this for Procerin, I would put my Procerin affiliate link in here. I would then go File, Save As, and then I would save it as Procerin and Procerin.php. Then I would upload Procerin.php to the naturalhealthcarereviews.com/recommends and dump it in that folder. And then on my affiliate page, if we go back there, you'll notice here, like I showed you earlier, if I right click on it and go properties, I'm just linking to that PHP page. See? That's all I'm doing. So essentially all it does is when somebody clicks that link, it then redirects through this page and picks up your affiliate link that you put in this page, and then goes on to the merchant. And what it does is it means that when search engines read this page, they don't see an obvious affiliate link. They just see a link going to a PHP page, and they don't follow that link. And it's pretty easy to do that. So that's all you need to do. You just do a PHP redirect, and then on the page here you've got PHP. The other thing you can do, which I've actually forgotten to do on this particular site, it's just come to my mind now. You can no-follow your affiliate links as well. You can just put a little piece of code in front of every link that says rel equals no-follow, and then that will mean the search engines will just ignore that link. They won't follow it at all. I haven't really done a lot of that, to be honest. On some of my newer sites, I have started to put no following all my affiliate links because I read other people were doing it, but it hasn't really had a problem for my ranking, so I'm not too sure if it's a huge difference or not. But if you want to be on the safe side, you can do a little bit of research how to no follow my affiliate links, WordPress, and then it's not that hard to do. Or you can just go into the code yourself and put that little tag in front of it, and it will make it a no follow link. But I don't worry about that too much. But that's what you want to be doing. You want to do a redirect through your affiliate link, like I just showed you, and then you want to be adding content to the domain. And for this particular domain, I've got a lot of content on there already. If I scroll down, you'll see, I've got lots of pages down here. Essentially, all this stuff is what you want to be doing. Unless you're doing a big site like this and keep adding to more product reviews, if you're not doing that, then you at least need to put some type of filler in content in the form of posts that are about the topic. So you give the impression that the website is growing and that it's not just a very small, tiny website, but it's a more of an important authority website. So just keep adding posts. You don't have to add posts forever. Just get it up to a size where it's about 20 or 30 page website, and then it's pretty rock solid in Google. but just adding posts does definitely help. So that's the end of this video. Make sure you add content to the domain. If you can do a post a day, that'd be great for the first, 2 or 3 weeks, and then you can ease off. Or, if you can't do that much, just do 2 or 3 a week, and then do that for, 2 or 3 months, and then you can ease off once you've reached 20 or so pages. That's it for this video. By now, your website should be ready for doing the backlinking. You should have it looking good. You have all your reviews, your front page, your affiliate links redirecting, your images all in place, all of your on-page SEO done. Everything is ready. All you need is traffic, and that's what we're going to do, is get on to the off-page SEO, which is backlinking. By backlinking a website, it slowly but surely rises in the search engines, and we get better search engine rankings. And of course, when you get better search engine rankings, it means traffic. So that's how it works. So that's all for this video. Go off and do all your on-page SEO, and let's get on to the next module.